Hello guys, watch this smart lady making crazy money on Facebook and tell me why you are not making similar money with her. After watching this video, I want you to come back here. I will show you exactly how to make similar money selling same product she's selling without even having the shop she's having. You are sitting in your home, you will have same shop she's having virtually and you will make similar money with her. So in this is 2024. I told you you don't have any reason to be broke. If you broke, it's your business and now you lose God. All right guys, so I was scrolling on my Facebook timeline. I saw this advert. I want you to watch the advert and see how this girl, she's killing it in the selling product online.
Hello, beautiful people. Are you in Benin City? Are you looking for a place to get your kiddies' educational gadgets and accessories? Then ClearTouch is your shop plug. At ClearTouch, we offer you the best possible price in the market for Amazon, Samsung, Lenovo, GTAB, ATouch, Discover, Baby, and Lenocid. At ClearTouch, we also have protective tablet covers to keep your kids' tablet from possible damage. Our after-sales service is top-notch, and this has kept all our customers returning and referring orders back to us. Visit us today at number 56 Airport Road, opposite Keystone Bank, Benin City, or you can send us a WhatsApp message to order as we deliver anywhere nationwide. Thank you, beautiful people.
All right, guys, you see, this is a sponsored ad. For you to know, actually, she sponsored it. After discover that this is a sponsored ad, this first thing we need to look at is, let's check the engagement. So the engagement in this campaign is actually 90 comment. The engagement in this campaign is actually 90 comment. See the likes, and also the number of views is 65,000 views. It's not much yet, but how do you know? How do I know that this campaign is a very beautiful one? Is that you see when you check the campaign details by clicking the three dots. Why am I seeing this ad? You click on the advertiser. So then you'll be able to check the ad library for more information on this campaign. Okay, you can see this lady start running this ad on the 31st of December 2023, and today is just 5th of December, which is just less than 2 weeks ago, and she's already gotten that view. So how do you come into this business? That is our main focus. You have checked the ad, you see that she's running this campaign newly, which is good to discover. So we have just discovered that this lady is running this campaign newly. So how do you come into this business and make similar money just like her without having similar shop? You can see this lady has a beautiful shop, and the shop is well equipped, which means that she's a standard wholesaler for that particular product, or a distributor or a vendor here in Nigeria for that particular product. So this lady product, children education, kid educational tablet, is gonna be cheap. So all you need to do is that you collaborate with her. Guys, 2024 should be a year of collaboration. Network with people that are into business and join them. If this lady is making money selling this kid tablet, you can also make similar money. You just chat this lady right now from this campaign. For instance, I'm giving an example. Just tell her that, okay, I'm Zach, I'm a digital marketer. I want to sell your product with Facebook ad. I saw your product and I know that you have amazing prices. So when she tell you the particular price of a product, maybe she says it's 35,000 naira, you can tell her that you want to use sponsor, you want to use money to actually run sponsored ad, and we want her to be giving you discount because you are going to be bringing a lot of customers. Trust me, this lady is a digital marketer. She's gonna reduce that price for you. She's selling to retailer. She's going to reduce it to you to 30,000 naira, for instance. So that you have already 5,000 naira discount for that product. Now you're gonna add another 10,000 naira additional to your own. So all you got to do is very easy. Remember, price does not matter when it comes to digital. What I sold at 25,000 naira, you can sell it at 50,000 naira. What matters is that you are more visible. Just be visible to people, because people tend to buy what they can see. You understand? So if your sponsor is what people see, it's you that they will patronize, not the person that has cheaper price but people cannot access or see their product. So now Okay, now what you're gonna do actually is that you have nothing to do after the negotiation. The only thing you need to do is go and create a video just like her own video. Look at her video.
People, are you?
So just go and create a video similar to her own video. You don't have to think, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, you understand? Just create a video similar to her. In fact, if this lady, she is really good, just like some people have dealt with business with in the past, she can even make a video for you, just personally for you, you understand, without putting her phone number. You can edit this her video, mute her own voice, put your own voice in the same video showing the same product. Do you understand? So please, if you don't know how to edit video, like I said, visit Opportunities Niche YouTube, then search for Opportunities Niche, go to playlist, you see mobile video editing, learn how to edit. You can actually mute this her video, put your own detail. So immediately you get an order, you'll charge this lady to deliver that order. Tell her that you already paid for the product 30,000 naira to her, and you are selling that at 45,000 naira. Tell her that it's pay on delivery. So when she deliver this product to any state, just like she stated, you're gonna tell her this pay on delivery. She's gonna help you collect that money as pay on delivery, and she's sending that money to you. You just own the shop, you just own a shop without owning it in actual sense. You just, the entire shop she has belongs to you, because in your video you are going to show that shop. In your video, those are your product, those are your real product, you understand? Without even stepping out of your room, without even seeing the product, you can sell this product directly from her shop. When you get an order, pay for it, just 30,000 naira for instance, then she deliver, then she send you the money. You make your differences of 15,000 naira per each product. I'm telling you, this is what I've done. I've done it severally. It works perfectly. So this also goes for all other businesses. So like I said, subscribe and turn on the bell notification to my channel. I'm going to be showing you more and more of this. So all you got to do, copy her primary text, edit it to your own. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, change some things, model it. So the video is there. The ad headline is also there. You can see this is the campaign headline. So if you want this headline, you change it or you model it. So also there are things you can do to make your own perfect. You can see she's running her campaign to WhatsApp. You can decide to have a sales funnel, having this different tablet on that sales funnel with different prices, so that the person that sees this campaign from video, when he goes to that first funnel, he will see more of this tablet, you understand? But if you don't want to waste time with sales funnel, you don't have time to design sales funnel or the money to design sales funnel, then you can run this campaign directly to your WhatsApp, just like she's doing. Okay, so you have numerous choices. So tell me, why are you not making money if you have this? I'm telling you, what stops you from selling this product right now, like this lady, is for you to now go to your ad setup and start implementing. You have nothing to do than just go and edit video right now with CapCut Video Editor. Go and set up the ad. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to my channel, as I'm going to be dropping more videos and more products you can easily sell online within your room. Okay, and the more trick on how to run Facebook ad. Like I told you, if you don't know how to run Facebook ad for your product, go to my YouTube channel at Opportunities Niche. Click the playlist, you will see Facebook ad tutorial. You learn from it. You can also see the link there where you join my Telegram. You also learn similar thing and ask questions via the Telegram channel. And for video editing, to have some similar video like us, do the same thing. Just go to my YouTube channel, go to playlist, and you'll see video editing tutorial. Learn how to edit your video. So tell me, why are you not making money? You don't have the reason not to make money in 2024, especially if you are a lady, especially if you are a graduate, you are sitting at home, you are not too busy, you have the whole time to make the whole money sitting in your room. So go get that money. Be smart, start implementation, and stop wasting time. Okay.